Now today we are going to discuss the concept of integration. Previously we are already completed integration problems, the basic formulas. Before that integration videos, I was uploaded differential videos also. Then after that we completed previously first exercise 60A is already completed and 60B which are already completed. Now if you're not clear, then you go back and watch and come back to here. Today we are trying to look into that 6th C problems. Today we have to see 6th C. The 6th C means this is a UV format. 6th C cases. Okay. The 6th C cases, the thing is very clear here. What I'm trying to say is 6th C. The basically previously how you have the UV, if you go for a differentiation, some d by dx of UV is there. How to do the d by dx of UV? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is a UV of your differentiation. As like integration also we have u into v. Integration of u into v duv. Like this integration also we have one formula. Like thing you has to do. Similarly, d by dx of u by v, we have a formula in differentiation. What is the formula? V du minus u dv by v square. This is for integration, but not we don't have a formula integration of u by v. We don't have a formula integration of u by v, but only we have differentiation. We have u into v and u by v, but integration only we have u into v. We don't have a u by v. Am I clear? It? Okay.
Yes,
How
sir.
to up now? This is now starting. Now this is a basic step in the integration of uv. This will plays a major role. The how I am doing it's a very important. Please look at now onwards how I am going to apply the UV methodology from 6th C onwards is completely the moment will go in the forward direction integration of UV concepts only. So first of all, the step number one is I'll write a formula. Then you go back to here. The integration of UV is U into V minus integration of V into du. Please be copy the formula. Integration of uv is equal to u into v minus integration of v into du. Am I clear? It?
Yes, sir.
So what is v? What is u? How you'll take it? I'll tell you. Question. I'll take a question. I'll explain it. Example sample question. I'll take and how I am going to working for the UV methodology for a given question. So let's start. I'll explain. So first of all, yeah, of a given question, you has to divide the question into two parts. One is u, other one is v. Example, first question I'll try to take. I'll take next page. I'll take integration of x into secant square x dx. In this one thing, this entire question, you has to split into two parts. Entire question is split into two parts. One is u, other one is v. But some one college they'll explain the methodology one way UV methodology. But everything the methodology whatever they follow, but answers must be same. You don't worry. Please follow me. It's enough to you. So they will extension of process is there. I'll make it shortcut. I'll try to explain. So given question, I am taking u is equal to here for the question. I'll take u is equal to x. After x is left, what is the part is remaining part? What is left out part? V. What is the left out of v into v is in secant square x dx. Integration of secant square dx is v. The u is equal to I'll take it x. Okay. Then you continue procedure. Am I clear? It? So
Yes, sir.
the basic intention is we have to understand, sir, what is I take? Can I take? Why you should take only u is equal to x? Why can't you take u is equal to x secant x square? Why you take v is equal to x into x into dx? Then the questions will come to us. Am I clear? It? So we have a one standard procedure is there. But according to that experts, they are telling we has to find out u what function I'll take u. We have the people are telling our college also islet the people will take islet. What they will people take islet. Please copy the islet. This is the very first time. Please copy islet. They will use the formula of islet. So what is islet actually? So you have to take according to you consideration according to islet format he has to take. What is I means inverse. First preference is inverse. If inverse is not there, go for logarithms. Logarithms. Is it logarithms are there here? No inverse, no
No, sir.
logarithms. Next arithmetics. Inverse means I am telling you, I think you people are very first time sine inverse x or sine h
Yes,
inverse
sir.
x comes under, you know. A logarithm means log x or e power x. This comes under here. Arithmetic means x or x square or x cube. These are comes under arithmetic. Here we have arithmetic. Next T means trigonometry. Trigonometric means general trigonometric. Sin x, cos x, not inverse, tan x. All second, all six. Next T means exponential. So this is not comes under here. Sorry to say, exponential. So e power x or e power 2x. These are all the sequence order you need to follow while you selecting uh, the value of u. Am I clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So first, after taking a question, there have a two terms, or else you make it two terms. Here secant square. Here we have a x. We have a secant x square. Out of this, which I should take? One is a arithmetic. Other one is a trigonometric
Trigonometry.
function. Out of this, in islet, which is coming first? Arithmetic is coming first. Other than
Arithmetic.
that. So I took x is u. The rest of the thing I'll take, including integration. You can take that. Other one is v. This is very very important concept. You has to take. Am I clear? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll take the problem, the methodology. I'll turning back to given questions. Am I clear? Right. I'll let Prakar.
Yes, sir.
So I'll take the first question of your sixth C. The first question: integration of x into secant square x dx. So I'll try to. I'm trying to follow formula according to the islet. This is arithmetic. This is a trigonometry. So I'll preference is arithmetic. So u is equal to x. Then v is equal to integration of secant square x dx. Then I think according to the formula we want du also. So du by dx is equal to what? How much, Nana? X is equal to 1, right? So du is equal to what can you write? Dx. Then they want v. What is the integration of secant square x? Integration of secant square x. You people has to do and tell me the answer. Integration of
Yes.
secant square x. Tell me the answer. Tan x plus c. Am I clear, right? Please, if you don't know the
Yes.
formula, please look into that. So next you should start applying formula. What is the formula? uv minus integration of
Minus.
v du.
Yes.
This is a d by dx of u, integration of uv method. So now start applying. What is the u value? U is equal to what, Nana? X. What's the value of v? Just a
Tan
tan
x
x.
plus 3.
Don't write c, right end of the time. C. No problem. Next v is equal to what? Tan x here. Next, what about du? Dx. Am I clear?
Yes.
Next continuation. X tan x. Then we have an integration again. Tan x into dx. This he has to do continuation because you need to remove the integration. Tan x. What's the integration of tan x, Nana? Log of secant x. If you don't know the formula, please look into the formula, come back. So everything is over. This is the final answer. This is a question we cannot do directly because there are two terms out there. That is what I was following u into v methodology. As like a differentiation, we are entering to the integration part in u into v. Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is a way you has to do the questions and u into v model. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Then second question is there. Before going to the second question, I'll try to say one more formula also there. That formula you can copy. Integration, please copy the formula. Integration e power x f of x plus f dash of x. It means e power x bracket of f of x plus that particular function differentiation. If it is possible like this, the answer no need to do the entire thing. You can write directly answer is e power x into f of x. If it is possible anywhere. This is a 2 marks question, very famous on this formula. Integration e power x bracket of f of x plus f dash of x is there. We can write directly e power x into f of x. You can directly write the answer. Clear or not? If any case possible like this, the question is look like very simple. You can easily catch the question. The question is should be like this model. Am I clear? So,
Yes, sir.
so according to this, so you has to go for similar thing procedure we have. So what is the other way? Take second question. We can should start working on that second question. What is the second question, Nana? E power x tan inverse of x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of x 1 by 1 plus x square integration dx. Clear, Nana?
Yes.
So in this question, it looks like e power x into some f of x, f dash of x. But which is f of x, which is f dash of x, we need to find out. If you derive this, will you get this? Or if you derive this, will you get this? What function you can take f of x, what function is f dash of x is going to come? So for this, we has to know differentiation. You are a very master in the differentiation. You has to be. Integration of the differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now from this, you can easily understand from the question, this is a f of x. This comes under f dash of x.
F dash of
According to the previous formula, e power x, f of x into f dash of x, what is the formula? E power x into f of x. So
F of X.
e power x into f of x means what? Tan inverse x plus. This is the answer. Clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we go back to the third question here. The third question is integration log x by x square into dx. Log x integration log x by x square into dx. Clear or any doubt? Okay. For this question, how can I approach? The thing is what there is no e power x, so there is no other alternative to do x into e power x. We cannot assumption also. So for this question, I'm trying to split into the two parts. What I'm has to do is I'll write integration log x
1 by
into 1 by x square into dx. This you have to split into two model, UV model. One another part. Which I should take u, which I should take v.
log X has yes, sir.
Which I should take u, which I should take v. That is the question first of all.
Log X has log X has V, sir.
What about u?
U is X square.
First of all, you people has to know. First, you has to assumption v is what. You need to find out v, not u first. V is the rest of the thing. You need to understand first of all u.
Yes, sir. Logarithms are there, no, sir.
Logarithm. What I should take? Logarithm.
Log X.
Please don't be confusion. First of all, this is a logarithm. This comes under algebraic function. Please go to the eyelet. Then you start working on that, which is comes under starting. You need to understand and take. Don't take blindly. Logarithm is there. Here logarithm. Here algebraic is there. So both of this logarithm is coming first. So I should take this is a v. This is a u. So u is log x. Am I clear?
Okay.
And the rest of the dustbin is there. What is there? 1 by x square. Dx is this you can take is v. Okay. Now question: do you require like du by dx? So log x is what? 1 by x differentiation. So du is equal to what can I write? 1 by x dx I can write du. Next I should require v I required, du I required, v also required. V is equal to integration of 1 by x square dx. What is the answer? How to do it? So x square we can write top is dx. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is the answer here? X inverse by
-1.
-1. So minus 1 by x. Okay. So v
Yes.
is minus 1 by x. You know u, v, du. Now let us start. Take a formula, start applying. U, v integration is equal to u, v integration of v du. So what's the value of u, Nana? What I took u? Log x. V what I got? Minus 1 by x. Integration v what I got? Minus 1 by x. What are du, Nana? Du I got 1 by x.
1 by X into dx.
Next here minus log x by x. Minus into minus place. Integration 1 by x square dx. Again you can do it. Minus log x by x. Again integration of 1 by x square. What I can do? Just now I got minus 1 by x plus c. So we'll take a minus common directly. You can write log x plus 1 by x. Directly I'll take entire common is x. Okay, this is the final answer. This is the way we need to approach the questions. Clear, Nana? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Let us go to next question. Yeah, third one is finished. I'll try to go for fourth question here. Fourth question is integration log
Log
x
x
whole square into dx. So here there is no another alternative way. We need to take it again u into v. Either case we have the one is log x whole square, other one is only dx. Nothing is there. You treat it as again for this year. U is a log x whole square. Then v is integration of dx. If nothing is there, you can take directly the rest of the things. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So again, integration of dx is x only. So x plus c, the v is finished. Then u means what? Here what I can do, u is equal to du by dx is equal to x power n, right? 2 into log x power n minus 1. Then d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next, what is a du is equal to? Du is equal to 2 log x by x into dx. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, now you got du. Now you know u value, but you know v value also. Now start applying your formula, you'll get an answer. Okay, can I continue next page?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, till you can copy these answers, uv, du. I'll try to take in the next page. So uv integration of v du. What's the value of u, Nana?
Log x whole
whole
square.
square. What's the v value?
X plus c.
2 log x by x. Please be concentrate on that. So v is x only, right? Sorry,
Yes.
du is right. So, okay, sorry. So I'll try to erase. Only x, right? Okay, only x. Next v is what? Only x. What about du, Nana?
2 log x by x
2
into
log x
dx.
by x into dx. This is common. This x cancel. So x log x whole square, integration 2 coming out. So 2 log x dx. So x log x whole square 2 into, I think what is the integration of log x?
1 by x.
It is not a 1 by x. Derivation of log x is 1 by x. Okay. So please be understand what is the thing. So log x integration is not available directly. We has to do have a procedure to find out integration of log x also. Okay. The
Yes.
differentiation of log x is 1 by x, not integration of log x is 1 by x. So for this, you has to write the log x answer here. Okay. For this, your problem is going to finished. Clear?
Yes.
So I'll take log x separate page. I'll working on that. Please extension of question. I'll take you take it separate question. Integration of log x dx. This is one separate question in the given question. Some x question you can take. Okay. So this
Yes.
question you should working same similarly. Here you can take u is equal to log x.
Log
Then v is equal
ds
to
dx.
integration of dx. Next du by dx is log x is 1 by x dx. V is x plus c. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this working is uv minus integration of v du. So u is log x, p is x, integration of x, dx is 1 by x dx. So x cancel. So x log x, integration of dx.
dx.
X log x minus integration of dx. So continuation we have to can say x log x, integration of dx is x plus c. So we can say what I can say x log x minus x plus c. This is what integration of log x is x log x minus x. Please remember, many times I'll ask in the next levels. Okay, this is a
Yes,
direct
sir.
formula. So you can try to substitute that answer here. X log x minus x. Clear?
Yes.
So this is a way we have to do the questions. Clear the question now?
Yes, sir.
The log x is a separate take question you should remember because the people will ask many times. So don't say it's 1 by x. The definition 1 by x, integration is
Yes, sir.
different answer
It's
according to by
log x.
applying UV methodology. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question is finished. We'll looking out the next fifth question. The fifth question is simple. What is the fifth question is here? Integration of e power x secant x plus secant x tan x into dx. This is the question now. So here it look like e power x some function into some function. But
Yes,
here,
sir.
is it f of x? Is it f dash of x? Or is it f of x? Is it f dash of x? I don't know. You need to do and take and confirm that. Am I clear? Which is f of x? Which is f dash of x? We don't have a right to, we can say. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So we has to do that. If I take d by dx of secant x means what, Nana?
Secant x, log into secant x plus tan x plus c.
Huh? D by dx of secant is secant x tan x only. Please look into the matter. Formulas of differentiation. Let us take this is f of x. This is
Okay.
f dash of x.
Okay.
I'm not asking integration. Differentiation I'm asking. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
If this is a f of x, if you do differentiation, you has to get this one. Or else if you take this,
Yes,
if you
sir.
differentiate, you need to get it out. Which is you need to take clarity first of all. So I take first case, I'll try to do. This is I took in f of x. I'll do derivation. I got this answer. So this is f of x. This is f dash of x. Similarly, what is the answer here according to formula? E power x into f of x plus c. So similarly, what is the answer here? E power x secant x plus c. Answer is
Yes,
finished.
sir.
Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Now go to next question now. Seventh one.
Same.
Integration e power x sin x plus cos x into dx plus c. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, this you need to tell me, Nana. Now, which is f of x, which is f dash of x?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try to take and tell me. Which you should take, you need to derive, second function will come.
Sin x is cos x is minus sin x.
So which is the correct one?
Sin x.
Yeah. If I take f of x is sin x, what about f dash of x is equal to d by dx of sin x is just cos x only.
Yes, sir.
It is not minus. It is a differentiation, not integration. Okay. Now it is satisfied. So answer is what? E power x into f of x plus c, Nana. It means e power x into sorry f of x, right? So what is f of x? Sin x plus c. Answer is finished. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, eighth one. Integration tan x plus log of secant x to dx. This is a very tricky question now. So what I should take, what I'm going to get it out, please be think and tell me. 1 minute.
Sir, ex into dx.
Hmm?
Question.
What is the answer for this question? Which is f of x, which is f dash of x?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Secant square. So secant square x. Secant square x.
What is my question? What is my question? Out of these two, which is f of x, which is f dash of x? I'm asking.
Tan x. Tan x is f of x, sir.
Okay, for your point of view, I'll take if it is f of x, what is f dash of x of tan x? What's the differentiation of tan x?
Secant square x.
Is it secant square x?
Secant x.
Is it secant square x?
Log. No, sir.
No, but it means that f of x consideration is wrong now, for according to your understanding.
Log secant.
So now you should take,
Log secant.
now change the pattern now. This is a just you take experiment of this. This you're not supposed to getting it out. Now you take this one, you'll trying it out. So f of x is equal to log of secant x. Okay. Now secant x is now you let us to try to take what you find out f dash of x. We have a procedure, right? F dash of x is equal to what? Log x means what, Nana? 1 by x.
1 by x.
Next d by
Secant x
dx.
into tan x
So secant x means what? Secant x tan
into
x.
tan x.
So secant cancel. What is the getting?
Tan
Tan
x.
x. Now you have you got, if you take it as f of
Yes, sir.
x, are you getting f dash of x here?
Yes, sir.
So like this, this is a way you can take, this is f of x, this is f dash of x. First you take this one, you're not getting. Now you're taking, now you got it. Am I clear? From this, you can take the answer directly. So e power x into log of secant x plus c, because this is f of x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a way you people has to do the questions comfortably in exams. Now let us trying to take the next levels. I think for this your bit is completed, right? I think so. For its clear, right? Now we will be looking back to that second bit. Uh, go for second bit here. Now second bit here, the thing is clear. Second bit, first one. This is a level 2 model. Same all are UV models only. Some concentration is required is more. Let us take evaluate the following integral in the real number. Okay, take a question. Integration of x power n into log x dx. So from this onwards, I don't want to do entire thing. I'll give the hints and I'll move back. Okay, because you
Okay,
know the
sir.
process. So this is a one formula. This is one formula. Which I take you, which I take is v.
Uh,
This is a algebraic function. This is a
yes, sir.
logarithmic. Out of this, which is the best one? Which is a start will come? I let.
Logarithm is u, sir,
Okay.
and v is expert.
Yeah, you have to take it. U is equal to log x. Only you can take log x. V is rest of portion. Integration of x power n into dx. Okay. Now we can take, you want du. Du by dx log x is 1 by x into dx. Am I clear? Now
Yes,
next
sir.
v, integration of x power n is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Right. U you know, v you know, du you know. Just you start applying your own formula. What is what? uv integration of v du. What is the value of u, Nana? Log x. What is the value of v, Nana?
Expert.
X power n plus 1 by n plus 1.
Yes, sir.
X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What's the value of du? 1 by x dx. So 1 by x dx. Till this clear, any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now it is clear. Now next I'll continue the next. Log x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I don't want to do anything. 1 by n plus 1 is a constant. I'll take back 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Till this here x power n plus 1 top is there. 1 by x you go for top, x power minus 1. This x power minus 1 x power plus cancel. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is a step I'll write copy as usual, minus 1 by n plus 1. Integration of x power n into dx. Similarly, same x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. I'll write the final
Okay.
answer, log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square, because alternate it is there, you are going to one more get, into x power n plus 1 plus c. Answer is finished. Okay, any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
So till this we can clear, because one integration is already we did off. Then when you are doing it is integration of vdx something, you are going to get that integration also, you should fill out. Then you're getting a more answers clearly. Okay,
Okay.
right. So our main intention is you need to catch what is u, what is v. The integration you has to do very clearly. The differentiation has to, you has to know, because from starting and why I'm telling it is integration when you're doing differentiation is mandatory. If not, there is a problem. Okay. Please, still the people will be very lagging. Please make it once you revise the differentiation. Come back to here. You can
Yes,
more easily
yes.
understand it. Log of 1 plus x square dx. Clear. Now let us here go for nothing is there. Only one question. This you can take u. U is log of 1 plus x square.
Mm,
V is integration of
dx
dx.
dx.
Simple. Then how to do is du by dx. You can find out, right? Du by dx is equal to
One
log
by
x is 1 by x. Integration of dx 1 ki 0 2x. So what is the du? So du is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Then v is v is x plus c. V you know, u you know, du you know. You can play within seconds. Now let us, I'll try to apply the formula. uv integration of v du. I was applied. From this, what can I do here? U what log of 1
Log in 1 plus x square.
into x. Integration of v means what? What's the value of v? X.
X plus
What's the du, Nana?
x, sir,
2x by 1 plus x square into
into
dx.
dx.
So this is work is done. Just you can copy the answer. X of log of 1 plus x square. Then here 2 I should take common. X square is there. I'll take plus 1 and minus 1 for my convenient. Okay. Then this is a common. X log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into this 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square, I can write minus 1. 1 I'll take. Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Are you comfortable?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
writing like this. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This is by this and 1 by this I wrote. Okay.
Okay.
Next answer x log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into integration I'll take separately. Bracket of I'll go integration inside integration of 1 dx and integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Left side portion I don't want to write as is similarly 2 times of integration of dx is what? X. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. So final answer I'm trying to write it is x log of 1 plus x square minus 2x minus 2 tan inverse x minus or minus plus 2 tan inverse x plus c. Still clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Clear.
This is the way you have to do the procedure for any question. Now it's clear. Now go back to the next question now. Third one. Integration root x into log of x into dx. Please, I'll give the clue. I'll move back. Here, what I took you, what I took we. Please try to tell me this. This is a algebraic function. This is a logarithm. Which I should take view?
Logarithm.
U is log x. V is integration of root x dx. I don't want to do entire thing. Please continue by the homework. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I'll take next question. If anything is, please let us know. I'll do it in the next classes. Next,
Okay.
integration of e power root x into dx. So this is an exponential.
Yes, sir.
This is a nothing but an algebraic case, I think. So this is the rest of the questions. We don't want to say it is like what I should do. Okay, what I can do.
Yes, sir.
So this you
U
can
as
take. Yeah. You this is no nothing is there. You can take u. The entire the thing is v. Okay. Or some
yes,
people this question they will be do another way also. That tricky simple understanding of converting one variable other way. This you can take. It's still little simple. I'm taking my assumption is root x is t example. So I'll do both differentiation both sides. Root x means what?
1 by 2 root x.
Dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to what can get 2 root x. Am I clear? It?
Yes.
So 2 root x, right? Or else another way we'll do simple. I don't want to waste the time. Another simple process I'll tell you to. So make it simpler. So root x is t, right? So squaring on both sides, x is equal to t square, right? Now we'll apply. Dx is equal to 2 to dt. It's very simple. Now question will be changing. Root x means what? E power t. Dx means what? 2 to dt. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now question is t into e power t dt. Now this is a separate question now. Question is x terms questions you are converting into t terms. Now
Yes,
question is
sir.
like
Yes.
this. Now we'll convert into the next page, integration of 2e into e power t. So integration of 2 take right, t into e power t dt. Now we can take this question. You people think it is like this. Integration of x into e power x dx. Think it is like this. So similarly, what I can take is a u here. This comes under algebraic. This comes under exponential. So here you can
Algebraic.
take u is equal to t, v is equal to integration of e power t dt. Okay. Nana clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now you continue with the t's as like x. After that, what your assumption is there? Root x is equal to t, right? Similarly, you can do it. Root x is equal to t. Whenever t is there, you can substitute root x. Your answer must be clear. Because our inconvenience is that we are converting the question of x in terms of t's. We did off the in terms of t answer. We send back to that answer should be in x terms. Clear? Done.
Yes.
Now take next question here. The question number fifth one. Integration of x square cos x dx. So make it fast. This is the algebraic. This is a trigonometry, which will be faster.
Algebraic.
Algebraic. So you can take u is equal to x square, then v is equal to integration of cos x dx. Am I
Yes,
clear?
sir.
We'll continue
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes.
Next, similarly, sixth question. Sixth question is what? Integration of x into sine square x dx. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So what you can do? This is a u, this is a v. Entire thing.
Yes, sir.
U is equal to x. The v is equal to integration of sine square x dx. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So please, when you're doing the v derivation, you must be clear first of all. Then you get in answers are very simpler. Now sixth question is finished. We'll move back to seventh one. Seventh one, similar x into cos square x dx. Now please take it u similarly x, v is
X.
equal to integration of cos square x dx.
Square.
So if you don't know how to do this, please go back to the previous first exercise, second exercise. You can get a clarity on that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next. What is the next question, Anna?
Integration of cos root x into dx.
So similarly, question number 8, integration of cos root x into dx. Okay. I'm trying to stop for this 2-day session, but 8 onwards will continue the next classes. Okay. The root x model I'm trying to explain it is. If it is 8th one, please leave. If you go for comfortable 9th one, you can continue.
Oh,
9th one is
yes,
x
sir.
into secant square x 2x. So you can take u is a x, v is a secant square 2x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 10th one also we have a homework, integration of x into cot square x dx. So x you can take is u, the entire other thing is you can take it z. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next level what? What is the next question now?
Ex formula.
E
F
power
of
x.
x and f
F of
dash
x.
x.
So 11th one also it's very simpler for you. You can continue for 11th one as well.
Yes.
Okay. 12th one also you can take it out. Similarly. 12th one, the question is you can write simpler. I'll try to rewrite the question. 12th integration of e power x into, I'll rewrite question 1 by x. Next, xx cancel log x you can take. Which is f of x, which is f dash of x, you can confirm and do it out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till this, we can stop today and tomorrow we'll continue the rest of the session for the continuation of the thing.